First of all, if she's in a hurry, then what you should do is before you come up with the opener, first of all, your pre-opener, as I once explained, is a hi or hey. Pre-opener, 1, 2, force time constraint. You know, because if she's in a hurry, she will first, before you come up with the opener, usually she will say, hey, sorry, I'm heading somewhere, or I'm late to this and that, etc., etc. And then you're already in the explanation mode, and you quickly find yourself overwhelmed and under pressure. If you come up with the opener and she's not answering the opener, what she comes up with, hey, I'm late for something, or I'm heading to this and that, and like, oh, I didn't know, Pat, I didn't know that she's hurrying. Of course, because you don't have 2 eyes to first of all screen before you approach, because you approach every shit on the street. Doesn't matter how she looks. You saw her from behind and assume, wow, she's a 10 out of 10, and then she turns around, maybe doesn't even have teeth in her mouth. So please screen before you approach, okay? How a force time constraint can look like in this example, hey, I'm late myself, I'm meeting friends, but ... and then comes the opener. First of all, you make her understand that, hey, I'm myself in a hurry. You proactively avoid situations like this by saying, hey, I'm in a hurry, but... second, you show that you're social, you're not a creep. You're not, if you ask you, what are you doing on the streets, and tell her, oh, I'm using this 4-hour session to approach women. But you're saying, hey, I have things to do, I have a goal. My students never got asked if they approached the girl in this day game situation and got her an instant date, and she never asked, where are your friends now? You know, and I had even like students pulling from day game.
What's good? We are in front of the sex shop at Mariefstraße. My student has to buy condoms for a girl he met on day game. I think the fourth instant date, day 2.
And she never mentioned where the friends are. To bring the force time constraint and then an opener. Usually in these situations, more direct opener is better. I would call it a soft direct opener. I don't really like direct openers. Hey, I saw you and I thought you're cute, etc., all that shit. Because you put her under pressure, you put you under pressure, you give your value away from the start. Plus, all your cards, and you lose all the mystery and all this excitement. Soft direct approach can be, for example, a statement about her clothes. It's one of the easiest things, you know. If you don't have that much game and you're not that creative, something about her clothes you can always bring. Here as well, you can bring something with a hat, something with the high heels. For example, I would say, hey, something about you really caught my attention. Leave it open, an open loop, as we say. Make her jump in, and then you explain. And then, usually she stops, as I said, hears you out, and sees how the attraction is. If she stays, which is a good sign, sooner or later she will say, hey, sorry, I have to head now to the soccer game. So what are you doing to, again, prevent it, be proactive? Say, hey, you know, as we continue anyway, this path, let's go together for a few meters. So again, you buy yourself time. You as well anyway have to head the same direction as her. And second, you buy yourself more time by saying, we go just a few meters. So she won't have the feeling of this guy will now go with me all the way long to the soccer game. And I cannot get rid of him, but for a few meters. And usually these few meters turn out in more meters, and usually half hour or even 1 hour date. If she is really in a hurry, then you have no other option than, of course, number closing the girl. And if you want to know how to number close, make sure to watch this video up there. Join our private Facebook group as well as the Telegram channel for many free tips and tricks on dating. And if you really want to get good at this and learn proper game, then make sure to book a 30-minute call with me personally. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out.